Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to look at what is software tester salary in USA. Then we are going to look at software tester salary comparison. So first we are going to start with software tester entry level, like 0 to 1 year experience salary consideration. And then we are going to look at more senior levels. So then we are going to look at software tester like 2 to 4 years experience, then senior software tester, software test lead, software test manager. So for these roles we are going to look at salary range and then best salary. This is Bakshu from Merit Pros. If you are a software tester in USA, this video is really important for you. Find out the salary range and best salary for your experience. So this is high time to assess the salary you are getting. You can say yes, let's get started. So let's get started. Please join our YouTube family. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss our videos and watch them first. Also like the video and comment on the video. It is really going to motivate me to do more videos for you. Okay, now let's get started with our actual topic. I have done my proper research for software tester salary in USA. I have got some really good real-time data available based on my software testing network in USA, and then based on different people I know and the salaries they are getting. Then I have also considered different sites like linkedin.com salary. So here you can find out different salary ranges and best salary. Then Indeed USA job portal, Monster USA job portal, then Glassdoor, that is also really good to find out salaries. Then I have looked at Quora as well. You can find out, then you can search for salaries. So here I'm providing my best research data, then I'm providing my suggestions, and at the end I'm really giving you some expert tips so that you can really get the high-end salary. So watch till end of the video and don't miss it. Then going further, software tester salary range varies depending on different factors mentioned here. So the first one is the company. So it depends upon how big the company is, how small, or whether it is a multinational corporation or company or a startup. So based on the company salaries there or the budget for the team you are getting hired for, the salary depends. If you are a fresher, it also depends upon the academic institute and the campus placements or job offers you are getting access to. If you are from like Harvard University, Stanford University, or Columbia University, like the top range academic institutes, then you get access to really like top jobs and then high range salaries. Then if you are a fresher, you can be from a reputed college or normal college. So based on your academic institute, the jobs you get, the range like from the very best to normal jobs, or the salary range from the very best to normal range. So it depends. So it depends upon what kind of jobs you can get access to. Then your skill set and demand for that. If you have automation testing skills and really good certifications, then the demand for that is really high and the salary is also really high. If you are considering manual testing, then the salary is a bit low. Then your experience, if you are a fresher, then you get a fresher salary. Then if you are like a senior software tester or software test manager, that is really a different range. Then in USA, based on the job location as well, there is a considerable difference in salaries. So consider locations like San Francisco, New York, or Washington. So based on location, there are some considerable salary differences as well. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, so I don't want to keep you waiting anymore. I want to directly give you the straightaway salary range numbers and my best suggested salary based on my research data. It was a hard job for me to do this video. There were so many factors to consider and it was not easy to find out some authentic real-time data for software tester salaries in USA. There were so many variations as well to consider. Anyhow, I have done my research. My best research data is ready for you. So enjoy. Let's start with software tester fresher salary. So here we are considering 0 to 1 year experience. Then the salary range is 30k USD to 70k USD and the best salary is above 35k USD. So if you are a software testing fresher, 0 to 1 year experience, and if you are getting above 35k USD, then that is really great. You are getting around 3000 USD per month, so that is really a good salary to start with. Then let's consider 2 to 3 years experience. Software tester salary, 2 to 3 years experience. Then the salary range is 35k USD to 90k USD based on your skill set and based on your company salary range. It can be 35k USD to 90k USD, and the best salary is above 50k USD. So it's like you are getting more than 4000 USD per month. That is really good. Then let's look at senior software tester salary. Here we are looking at 4 to 7 years experience range. So here the salary range is 60k USD to 100k USD, and the best salary is above 70k USD. So it is like you are getting 6000 USD per month. Then going further, now we are looking at lead software tester salary or software test lead salary. Here the experience range is 6 to 10 years experience. So if you are in that experience range, definitely you should be in a lead position or in a senior position where you are managing a team, where you are leading a team. So here the salary range is 70k USD to 120k USD, and the best salary is above 90k USD. So with this experience range, like 6 to 10 years experience, if you are getting like 7500 USD per month, then that is really a good salary, best salary. Then now we are at top level software test manager salary. So here we are looking at experience 8 to 15 years. So based on your skill set and based on your ability to how quickly you can move this ladder, like from fresher to software test manager, like your ability to quickly move above in this ladder, and then your ability to negotiate the salary and get the best salary. So based on all these factors, like your skill set, your certifications, your ability to move in the career ladder, then your ability to apply in best company and get the best salary, your ability to negotiate and get best salary, based on all this, for software test manager the salary range is 90k USD to 180k USD. Sometimes people get high-end salaries as well, like 200k USD or above that, and the best salary is above 120k USD. So if you are a software test manager, then consider getting 10k USD, like 10,000 USD per month. That is really best salary, I would say. Then going further, you can check this table and find out which experience and salary range you belong to. If you are in a best salary range for a given experience range, hooray, I'm really happy for you. If that is not the case, then you have to set your goal to move to the best salary range by improving your skills and by getting a new job either in your current company or in a new company. For example, you can move from manual to automation testing roles, or from a low paying company to high paying company. So have a look at this table. Then I have a question for you. Are you happy with your current software testing job salary? Mention in the comment section. Any queries on your salary range or need an expert help? Mention in the comment section. Definitely we will help you. Then going further, I just want to give you quick information and background about software testing career. Software testing is really a good career. If you are a graduate in USA, or if you are a graduate with computers degree, then there are different career paths available in USA. Like you can consider software development career, or you can consider software testing career, or there are so many other careers as well in IT industry. Among that, software development career or software testing career are like the top two. So here you can find out a lot of job opportunities. Huge number of jobs are there. So I want to say that software testing is really a good career. Then within the software testing, there are different roles available, like manual tester, automation tester, performance tester, security tester. There are different roles available, but mainly manual testing roles and automation testing roles. So with manual testing, you are going to test a product or software manually, like using a keyboard and the mouse, like how the end user is going to do. Then with automation testing, you're going to use a software like Selenium or Catalan Studio Test Project or Appium, like based on desktop app, mobile app or web app, like based on that there are different automation tools there. So you use that tool, and then whatever you do manually, you're going to write code for that and you are going to automate that. So we are going to use a automation tool, programming language, and automate all the manual work. So just for a quick example, manual testing is like going to a bank branch and withdrawing the money manually. Then automation testing is like going to a cash machine or ATM and then withdrawing with a debit card, like that. Then comparing manual testing jobs versus automation testing jobs. Companies are aiming for automation of testing as much as possible. So with automation, companies are going to get really good results. They're going to save so much on time, cost, and effort. Then generally automation testers get paid higher compared to the manual testers, because automation tester role is technical and more skilled job compared to manual testing. You need to know the automation tool, programming language, then all the general software development practices and design patterns, so that you can be a good automation tester. Then let's look at conclusion and then few expert tips. Analyze your experience and then salary range for that, and then compare with the data available here. Then you can also consider your software testing friends or within your company, so you can check for the salary range and then based on that decide whether you are getting the best salary or not. Improve your skill set as per the best demanding skills in the market, like right now Selenium is really on the top. Then do required courses, training, and get certification, so that is really going to improve your skill set. Aim for the high salary range, so you can target high paying jobs, like automation jobs are really the skills in demand, you can target for that. Then target high paying companies like MNCs, really good companies that are going to pay you well. Then there are other factors as well, like your ability to quickly move in the software testing career ladder, like from fresher to software tester to senior tester to test lead to test manager, like how quickly you can get that experience, ability, and then move in the ladder. Then you also need to learn few best things, like applying for companies that are really going to pay you well, and then negotiating the salary, like once the interview is done, once you get the offer, how well are you negotiating to get the best salary. And then when you are starting the career, like 0 to 5 years experience, it is good to switch the companies. It is good to make your journey fast in the software testing career ladder, because one, you are going to get a good salary, you are going to get a new job where you can learn new skills and new work environment. You are getting exposure to a range of responsibilities, a range of skills, different work environments, different companies. With that, you can quickly move forward in the software testing career ladder. You can target high paying jobs, you can target senior roles. Okay, so with all that, all the best for your software testing career. Happy testing and excellent salary. Then thank you for watching this video, team. Hope the covered topics will help you in finding out your best salary and then moving quickly in the software testing career ladder and really getting high-end salary for you. Also subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment on the video. Then going further, I'm going to make this next video, software tester career path and ladder. So how you can start and then what are different roles, then what is the career path. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.